medyo makuha na po yung kanyang amoy, 'di ba? Matapang na or medyo may kalumaan na, it is a bouquet. Aroma is an odor which has fresh grape or fragrance. The yeast is unpleasant odor similar to yeast. Ayan, amoy panis. If you say yeast, ang kanyang tawag dito, medyo panis, 'di ba? Nakaamoy naman siguro kayo ng kanin na panis. Nakaamoy na kayo siguro ng kilikiling hindi nahugasan. O that is why yeast, it is unpleasant, hindi kaaya-ayang amoy. The woody is an unpleasant odor similar to wood. Ayan, if ever po na woody flavor ang inyong wine, either mayroong naihulog na cork or part of the cork doon sa mismong wine natin para na ibabad doon, kaya naging woody. And then clean absence of unpleasant odor, so parang wala siyang amoy. And the spicy odor is reminiscent of spices and herbs. Ayan. So the spices is pwede siyang lagyan ng kahit anong spice, which is cardamom, ano pa ba? Cinnamon. So depende if anong mga spices ang nilagay dun sa wine. Okay. So my question, Saint Thomas. Hello. Okay, so next tayo, last on the appreciation of wine. So the appreciation of wine is, in wine tasting term, tasting is somewhat misleading. Ayan, ibig sabihin, tasting is somewhat misleading, nakakalito daw, as it implies that sampling of the flavor of the wine is a primary purpose of tasting. Actually, there are 5 characteristics that are examined while tasting of wine: the color, the bouquet, body, taste, and aftertaste. So these are the steps. Number 1, the first is to look at the color of the wine in the glass. Tip the glass away from you and examine it against a white background if possible. Red wine lose color with age, turning from purple to red to brownish red mahogany. White wines gains color with the age, turning from pale yellow-green to yellow-gold to brown. Rose wines from the lighter pinks to reddish-brown tints. Okay, so yan po yung number 1, kung paano siya ma-distinguish and how to taste the wine. Ayan, so kapag ang red wine daw is from purple to red, okay, to brownish or red mahogany. Ang white wine down is from the pale yellow green to yellow gold to brown. The rose wine from lighter pink to reddish brown tints. Ayan, so tandaan nyo po ha, yan po yung kanyang paano mo ma-distinguish in tawag dito in step 1, kung tandaan nyo lang kung ano yung mga color nila before. Ayan. So next is step 2. You have to swirl the wine glass until the inside of the glass is coated with the wine. Watch the leg. Ibig sabihin ng watch the leg is yun yung pagbaba nung tawag dito, nung solution doon sa gilid ng baso. As they form inside the glass, they form the top line of the wine where is coated the glass. This will indicate the body of wine. Dry. Tandaan, the dry is light so fast forming. Show thin legs and runs down rapidly. Sweet heavy wines is slow forming. Show thicker legs and runs down slowly. Ayan. So, kanina, sinabi ko, it the same with the step 2. The step 3 is sniff the wine. How to sniff the wine? Amuyin daw. Okay. First, take a small sniff. Okay. Dip into your nose about 3 inches away from the glass. Then, swirl the wine again. As the wine evaporates against the side of the glass, it releases the bouquet of the wine. The greater the surface area of the wine, which is the contact with the air, the more the bouquet that will be released. Sniff again with the nose inside the glass. So, yung unang sniff, malayo sa glass, sa rim ng glass. Kasi para i-aerate or aamuyin mo yung evaporation ng wine. Kaya sabihin nyo, bakit kaya nila inaamoy yung wine kapag tawag na, ang dami namang kaartehan, pwede man lagukin lahat. 'Di ba? Kasi that is the appreciation. Ibig sabihin, para alam mo yung tawag dito, sabi nga nila, hindi mo appreciate yung isang pagkain kung hindi mo siya nanamnamin. Hindi po yung pagkain, 'di ba, kapag gutom tayo, hindi mo na nalalasan yung pagkain eh, 'di ba? Tama ba ako, Saint Thomas? 'Di ba? Ang tendency nun, kain ka na lang ng kain. Hindi mo siya, tawag dito, hindi mo nararamdaman yung pagkain kasi nga, ang iniisip mo, mapuno mo yung tiyan mo dahil dun sa para mabusog ka. Para walang uneasy feeling, di ba? Pero kapag namnamin mo talaga yung pagkain, is talagang ma-appreciate mo yung flavor, yung characteristics dun sa mouth, ano yung mga mga nararamdaman pag kumakain ka nung ganong pagkain, maiisip mo yun. Pero kung gutom ka, ganun din po kapag tawag dito, di ba, atat na atat uminom. Lagok ka ng lagok, 'di ba? Hindi mo na mapansin, 'di ba? Kuan ka na tawag dito. Noon mapait pa, pero nang pinakahuli na hindi na. Kasi nga, syempre appreciate mo na. Pero kapag sabi nga nila, hindi mo ma-appreciate ang isang bagay kung hindi mo siya titignan with uh, the other sides or sa any point of view, 'di ba? Kapag tanggap ka na lang tanggap, 'di ba? Minsan di mo na siya na-appreciate eh. Makikita mo na, ay, bakit ko ba tinanggap 'to, 'di ba? So ganun din po sa pag-ibig. Charot. Ayan. 'Di ba? So, yon, next is the step 4. The next step is know to savor the wine. Ayan. So, magkuka na tayo. Kanina, pag lagay pa lang sa baso, 'di ba? Identify ka na kung ano ba full-bodied or light-bodied. And then identify mo yung color, yung kanyang flavor. And then after that is yung kanyang bouquet or yung kanyang aroma. So, last is titikman mo na. The next step is know savor the wine. Take a sip of the wine. Roll the wine around your mouth, even chewing in a bit. Ayan. Yung iba, nilalagay nila sa kanilang mga gilagid, sa likuran ng kanilang tawag dito, kanilang palate, or doon sa mismong ngalangala nila, kasi para tawag dito, marama nila na yun yung flavor ng wine. And then, the hold of on the tongue, breathing in without swallowing the wine. So, breathing daw, i-stay mo doon sa mismong loob ng bunganga mo, and then after that, you have to inhale. Okay? I-inhale mo siya, 'di ba? Or huminga ka without swallowing the wine. This reveal the body of wine and its weight on your palate. Ayan. It may be light and delicate or full and rich. You will notice the dryness or sweetness of the wine as well as the acidity. Ayan. So, doon mo na matitikman or ma-appreciate yung flavor ng wine. Wow, ang sarap pala ng wine. Diba? Ganun pala ang pagtikim ng wine. Hindi po pala yung lagok ng lagok. Diba? Lalong-lalo tayo kapag sa bahay, diba? Pasosyal-sosyal ka pa, lalagayan mo naman ng yelo yung wine. Ang wine hindi nilalagyan ng yelo. Diba? Ang beer, ganun din po. Pag inom ng beer ay hindi nilalagyan ng yelo. Kasi mawawala na yung lasa niya, 'di ba? So, ganun din po sa wine, 'di ba? Social ka pa, 'di ba? Pa selfie ka pa. And then may yelo naman yung wine mo, 'di ba? And then nilagay mo pa sa water goblet, 'di ba? Water goblet is for water, not on wine. Wine glasses dapat. Or kung red wine, is a red wine glass. Kapag white wine, sa white wine glass. Kapag champagne, sa champagne flute. Ganun po dapat. Hindi po pwede na inom ka ng wine, lagay mo dun sa water goblet, then mag-selfie ka. May yelo sa loob, o diba? Nag-aral ka pang bartending, tapos hindi mo naman sinusunod. Okay. Pa-selfie ka pa. May mga ganyan kasi, nagsiselfie na, diba, may wine daw, umiinom ng wine, pasosyal. Tapos, water goblet naman yung ginamit, and then may yelo sa loob. O, diba? Asan yun? Asan yung knowledge regarding on that? Diba? Pasosyal ka ko, dapat alam mo lahat. 'Di ba? Alam mo dapat kung ano yung standard kung paano